Ever found yourself needing cash, but your wallet's playing hide-and-seek with your debit card? Or maybe you're out and about, relying solely on your trusty iPhone, and suddenly that craving for a cash-only local delicacy hits. It's a common scenario in our increasingly digital world. Can you actually get cash out using Apple Pay with Westpac? It's a great question, because while Apple Pay is fantastic for making quick, contactless payments in stores or online, withdrawing physical cash is a slightly different ballgame. The convenience of tapping your phone or Apple Watch to pay for groceries or your morning coffee is undeniable, but what about those times when digital just won't cut it? Let's break down how Westpac and Apple Pay interact when it comes to getting your hands on some physical currency. First and foremost, it's important to understand that Apple Pay itself is a digital wallet service. It securely stores your card details, allowing you to use your phone or other Apple devices for transactions. It doesn't, however, store cash directly within the Apple Pay system in the same way a bank account does. So, when we talk about cash out with Apple Pay, what we're really asking is if you can use your Westpac card, linked to Apple Pay, to withdraw cash. Now, here's where it gets interesting with Westpac. Yes, you can use your Westpac debit card, linked to Apple Pay, to get cash out at certain merchant terminals. This isn't a direct Apple Pay cash withdrawal from an ATM, but rather a cash-out facility offered by some retailers when you make a purchase. Think of it like getting cash out at a supermarket checkout. If you're using your Westpac Debit MasterCard, you'll need to make sure that the FPOS SAV or FPOS CHQ payment network is selected for the transaction to go through successfully. In some cases, you might even be asked to enter your card PIN on the contactless terminal. This is just like using your physical card for a cash-out transaction. However, there's a crucial point to address regarding ATMs. Westpac used to offer a cardless cash feature, which allowed you to withdraw money from their ATMs using a code generated in their banking app, without needing your physical card. This was a popular feature for many, but Westpac has since discontinued their cardless cash withdrawal service, so, if you were hoping to simply tap your phone at a Westpac ATM and get cash, that functionality is no longer available. So, to reiterate, * at participating merchants/retailers * yes, you can generally get cash out with your Westpac Debit MasterCard linked to Apple Pay by selecting the appropriate FPOS network, SAV or CHQ, and potentially entering your PIN. * at Westpac ATMs * no, Westpac's cardless cash service has been discontinued, meaning you cannot use Apple Pay or a generated code to withdraw cash directly from their ATMs. You'll need your physical Westpac debit or credit card for ATM withdrawals. It's also worth noting that transaction limits for Apple Pay are generally the same as those for your physical Westpac debit or credit card. So, any daily withdrawal limits that apply to your card will also apply when using it via Apple Pay for cash out at a merchant. Ultimately, while Apple Pay offers incredible convenience for payments, for direct cash withdrawals from an ATM, you'll still need your physical Westpac card. For cash out at a merchant, your Apple Pay linked Westpac debit card can indeed come to your rescue. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.